How to get Apple Music free for 6 months. Do you want more than just 1 month of free Apple Music? If you buy a certain Apple product, you can get Apple Music for free for 6 months. Apple offers 6 months of free Apple Music to new Apple Music users who buy AirPods, a HomePod Mini, or Beats headphones. But you have to be a new subscriber to Apple Music. The following devices are eligible as per Apple's terms and conditions: AirPods Pro, AirPods 2nd and 3rd generation, AirPods Max, HomePod, HomePod Mini, Beats Fit Pro, Beats Studio Buds, Powerbeats, Powerbeats Pro, Beats Solo Pro, Beats Studio Buds Plus, Beats Studio Pro. If you've bought one of these eligible devices, you can get the free trial as long as you haven't subscribed to Apple Music before and as long as you paired the device with your iPhone or iPad less than 90 days ago. To get the free 6-month trial, you need to sign up within 90 days of first connecting your qualifying audio device to an iPhone or iPad with the latest software. Note that if you've been using your HomePod with your Apple account for more than 90 days, you won't be able to get the free trial unless you switch your HomePod to a different Apple account.